Hi, I'm Luis.
And I'm Graziella.
Yeah, we live in San Diego, California for the last 20 years.
We have two little kids, Olivia and Alex. Alex is 7, Olivia is 12.
We're originally from Brazil.
We're from the same hometown. It's very beachy town, a lot of sun and sky, and that's why we love San Diego. The weather kind of similar and kind of same lifestyle as well.
I work a lot, and on the free time that I have, I like to enjoy the time with the kids.
I like to lay down and have a good time and just read a little bit when I can with two kids. But he is very outdoorsy.
The swim machine is really good. You put my goggles and I start swimming. You just focus on a point. We have a pool that we can use really all year long. It really fits us because all we got to do is remove the cover, we get in the pool. The temperature is always perfect. For whatever we use, it's at night for movie nights we use it during the day, we use it over the weekend. When we're looking for the alternatives that we could do in our backyard, we wanted something functional and simple. We didn't want an overkill of a pool that would take most of the space of the backyard. So we wanted something that would self-contain, didn't require a lot of maintenance. When our friends come over that they have pool, they ask, oh, where are the pumps? Where is everything for the pool? It's like, no, everything is self-contained.
Yeah,
you don't need anything connected to the pool except for the electrical part, that's it. The quality of the building process, how very detail-oriented they are.
I know how good the process is. I see all the testing, I see all the construction and the little details. So that's what kind of sold me the most, like it's so well made.
The installation process was perfect for us. Very well organized. We knew when the pool was going to be delivered. We had the arrangements ready for the construction guys, build the retaining walls to put the pool. We knew the date that the pool was coming, and it's all self-contained. The deck gave us not only the looks, but also the extra storage that we have, the hatch, that's very easy access to the maintenance. The instructions were perfect, so the builders, they knew what are the dimensions that they had to give access to the pool.
Who would you recommend a pool like this for?
Everyone.
I see no reason not to recommend to any kind of audience.
Yes.
There's all ages, as long as you have a minimal space like what we had,
Yeah.
you can fit it. Anybody can have this kind of project in their backyard.